Do you want to know how you can sign up for 1xBet? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for 1xBet. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC and go to the search bar and then search for 1xBet sign up. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the official registration site of 1xBet. You can see that there are various types of registration techniques. You can go to one click over here and you can write down by phone, by email or social networks and messengers. So let me teach you the easiest way. So you can write down your promo code over here and click register if you have the promo code, or if you want to log in by phone, go ahead and write down your phone, click on this phone, write down your phone number and your confirmation code after you click send SMS, or else you can just go to by email, and this is easy too. So what you need to do is select your country, which is over here, and then select your city. After you select your city, go ahead and choose your currency. Then write down your email address and your first name, and after that write down your surname. Then go ahead and enter your phone number as well. After you enter your phone number, go ahead and write down your password. Make sure you choose a secure password, and then what you need to do is copy the code and paste it over here as well. So if you cannot paste it, go ahead and write down the same password in this box as well. Make sure you check your password as well and then go ahead and click register. After you click register, you can see that this is your activation ID and your password. So a message with a link or activation has been sent to your email address. After that, go ahead and click login. What you need to do now is confirm that you are not a robot. Then click login again. And there you go. You have just signed up for 1xBet. I hope this video about how you can sign up for 1xBet was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.